this is the time. This is the time to come in. I'd always kind of struggled with back pain from maybe like when I was like 15 till now. As soon as I walked in, I got a tour of the entire place. So even the like equipment I wasn't going to be using, it definitely makes you more comfortable when you know like what's going on. I was excited because I had done regular PT before. Everybody is super kind, especially when I was doing physical therapy. You know, if there's something I don't really understand, they really made sure that I understood what was going on. I also love how I get to work with somebody different every single time. It's not like you're just working with one person. I think it's more personalized. Here, it feels more like they know me as a person. They really cater things to who I am. I think going from physical therapy to MIHA, they were able to see, you know, what was I struggling on in physical therapy and how can I strengthen that with MIHA. So a lot of, again, that glute activation and, you know, like turning my feet out and stuff when I'm doing the squats and stuff. So they already know what works best for me, which again could be different for somebody else. Yes, I definitely think I feel stronger. It's another like level of confidence too, where I know I feel stronger and I don't have to worry as much about back pain and I can focus more on form and getting stronger that way. Invest in yourself. You know, like if you care about your body and feeling good, this is something that you can add in your schedule and can really make a difference. Hi, my name is Abby and I do EMS training at Balanced Flow.